Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about machine learning approaches for auto insurance big data. This is the overview of our project. Now we are going to discuss about our abstract. So the main objective of our project is to identify or analyzing the auto insurance is claimed or not for particular customer by using different machine learning algorithms. The growing trend in the number and severity of auto insurance claims create a need for new methods to efficiently handle these claims. Machine learning is one of the methods that solve this problem. The insurance industry's current challenges are its transformation into a new level of digital applications and the use of machine learning techniques. This system considers how automotive insurance providers incorporate machine learning in their company and explores how ML models can apply to insurance big data. We utilize various ML methods such as decision tree and gradient boosting to predict the claim occurrence. So this is the overview of our project. Flow of our project. Now we are first we need to take auto insurance claim data set. So the input data was collected from some data set repositories like Kaggle, GitHub and UCI machine repositories. Then the collected data was carried out to pre-processing step. In this step, we can check any missing values is present in your data set. If you have any missing values, we need to replace that missing values by zeros. Why we are checking missing values means for avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding. So label encoding means we need to convert the string into numeric integer value for machine readable. Then the pre-processed data is carried out to data splitting module. In this step, so we can split the data into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. The splitted data is carried out to feature selection module. So in this feature selection, so we are implemented the correlation. So we need to extract the best features from our splitted data. So the selected data are carried out to classification module. So in this module, so we can implement two different ML techniques such as decision tree and gradient boosting. With the help of these two algorithms, we can predict the customer is claimed the auto insurance or not. Then finally, we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, sensitivity, and recall. So based on the performance, so we can conclude which algorithm is efficient. Finally, so we are going to discuss about demo of our project. We are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So first, this is the input data. So the input data was collected from some dataset repositories and display some sample of dataset. Then pre-processing. Here we are checking any missing values is present in your dataset. So these are the columns which is present in our dataset. So the zero indicates there is no missing values. This is the total number of missing values is present. So after checking missing values, so these are the columns. So zero indicates there is no missing value. So finally we can replace that missing values by zero. Then label encoding. So this is the string so which is present in our data set. So we need to convert that string into numeric value. So this is the after label encoding. Then data splitting. So here we can split the whole data into test and train. So this is the total number of data. This is the train data and this is the test data. So this is the visualization graph for feature selection, that is the correlation. Then so we are implemented the two different algorithm. One is the gradient boosting. So in gradient boosting, so we got 96% accuracy, in decision tree 100%. Finally prediction. So prediction in essence it is for testing some testing for testing data. So here we are taken 10 test data. So like auto insurances claimed or not claimed. Then finally comparison graph between the decision tree and gradient boosting algorithm based on accuracy. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.